You're listening to Operation Storm Watch. Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton in the WBAP Weather Center. A severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for Plao, Pinto County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. A severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for Palo Pinto County until 5:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Possum Kingdom State Park, or 20 miles south of Graham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm may contain 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. The storm could affect Grayford as far south as Mineral Wells over the next 45 minutes. This also includes sections of Interstate 20 between mile markers 376 and 389. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock for that area. This storm did produce a tornado warning just upstream in Stevens County only half an hour ago. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible marking is in effect for Palo Pinto County until 5:30. The severe thunderstorm located near Possum Kingdom State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Here's what we have right now, a tornado warning in Palo Pinto County.